I'm back with a little reseller drama. This is a case that happened over on eBay. As a reseller on eBay, I'm often asked the strangest questions, and with that comes cancellation requests. So let's jump right into this one. I purchased these in July of 2021. They've been on eBay and all my other selling platforms since. They were posted on eBay for $18.21, and an offer came in of $13. However, the buyer thought they could set their own shipping charge of $3. So take a look at this. After I accepted her offer of $13 plus $9 for priority shipping, I did want to ship them priority as they were glass. And for those of you that don't know, USPS, the Postal Service, offers free insurance on priority mail. So I did want it to ship priority mail, which is higher than first class, so $9 shipping charge. Immediately after I accepted her offer, she sent this message: did I not offer free shipping? So let's go back. She actually offered $3 shipping. So I don't know where the free shipping came in, but there was no way that I could ship these glass items for $3. Even first class shipping would have been at least $6. And besides that, when do buyers set the shipping charge? Do you see the problem here? When are buyers saying what they're going to pay for shipping? The post office determines that charge, not me or the buyer. Okay, I can laugh about it now, but at the time it just was not funny. So I replied back that shipping is not free. So once I sent her that message, she immediately put in a cancellation notice and said that she ordered the item by mistake, which again, I was not happy with. I don't see how buyers can get away with this. So I did let it ride till the very last day. I was under no obligation to accept the cancellation. I had a no return policy on these egg holders, but I did not want to get a negative feedback over $13. I am a top-rated seller on eBay with 100% feedback score. Hey, so leave a comment below and let me know what you would have done in this situation. Would you have gladly accepted the cancellation request? Would you have shipped the items for $3? Would you have blocked this buyer from future purchases? Leave a comment below, and in that comment, for my own personal humor, leave the egg emoji. So I waited till the very last day to accept the cancellation request and refunded her money. I also then relisted the item, and guess what? It sold the very next week for even more money. So the buyer did pay my full asking price of $18.21 plus the $9 priority shipping. They did use my 10% off coupon, so they saved $1.82. So my profit on the $2 Ray Dunn egg holders was $11.55. If you found this video entertaining, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And many of you that are watching have not yet subscribed, so please consider becoming a fan of Piece of Scrap and click that subscribe button. I will link another entertaining video here. Continue watching.